Hey, what's up, bros? Welcome back to my video. Welcome back to this game, but it's not Aftermath anymore. Welcome to Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimate. So yesterday, my dad bought me the new characters. See those characters? Those three characters. Look, this is called Rambo, Mileena, and Rain. So let's do all. So we did yesterday. We did all those fatalities on those three, the new ones. So let's try to do friendships. Okay, let's start with Rain, then Rambo, then Mileena. Okay. And which should I pick? Okay, let's do it, y'all. It's time for that, Rain. Time for you to get combat. I just customized them. Let's see your combat, Rain. Oh my God, Rain. Okay, let me grab. Okay. Oh really? You turned into a cat. Oh, I put a cat power. The fruit was that? Okay, you just. There you go. Okay, let's grab him. What does that thing do? I have no idea what that freaking do, man. Okay. Okay, I gotta grab him. Gotta grab him. Come on, Rain. Okay. What the freak? Why are you turning around? Don't turn around like a circle. Okay, let's see it. Oh my God, are you joking? You gotta check his fatal blows. Are you joking? Okay, I gotta do mercy because I need to use the fatal blows. Hold up. Okay, let's use the fatal blows. Are you joking right now? Okay, I gotta let him hit me. Because he keeps protecting himself. Look, I just want to use the fatal blows. Okay, let's win this freaking round. I'm gonna let you catch me, man. Come on, I just jumped over him. He just cut me through the thing. Okay. Okay, let's wait for him. I think this is my chance to use a fatal blow. Are you kidding me, man? We both used it. You know what? I gotta do this again because he used it much faster than me.
Where are your minions going? I need neither reptile nor Ermac to kill you. Out. You are finished. Round one. Fight.
Gotta wait for the fatal blows. If he keeps protecting himself again, he's so angry. Oh my God, you almost got me. Okay, hit me. So I can use the fatal blow. Oh, there you go. There's the fatal blows. Oh my. Ooh. That was every comeback, man. Now let's just check his friendship. I think I know how to do this. Look at his friendship, man. Oh my god. Y'all see that, man? Next up is Rambo. Wow.
You got super speed. You'll be sliced and diced in a split second. That assumes you can catch me.
Let's see your comeback, Rambo. Go. The freak, I was on it, man. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, that thing comes from nowhere. I need to use the blasting guns. Like, are you serious right now? Okay, we gotta check his fatal blows. Wait, okay, hold up. Are you kidding me? We gotta do this, y'all. I'm gonna let him catch me. Okay, let's use the fatal blows. Ooh, you see his fatal blows? You see him? Oh my god, man. Oh my god, bro. This is the last chance. We gotta do friendship, guys. Let's do it, y'all. Look at his friendship, bro. That's how it does, man. Okay, last but not least is Mileena versus Kitana. Let's do this, y'all. Damn, man. Let's give it a shot, Mileena. Let's see what you do. Oh my god, man. Okay. So, what are you doing, Mileena? Oh my god, Kitana is gonna win this round because of you. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh my goodness, Mileena, look at yourself. We're gonna have to wait for the fatal blows. He's definitely gonna use it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh man, she used the. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the fatal blows. Now let's use it. Oh my god. Oh. Ew. That's disgusting, bro. Ugh. Wow. Wow, Mileena, you look disgusting. Oh my god, man. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, let me just grab you. There you go. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna grab you again. Ew! You sucking his blood, man. Okay. Okay, there you go. Let's check his friendship. I can do this. Just look at her friendship, man. Hugging a teddy bear and making some tea. Oh my god, man. That's a damn sense, man. And look, the other one fell down. Alright, we did it. That's all the three ultimate people's friendship and fatal blows in this combat. Okay, so those are all three ultimate people that have his comebacks, his fatalities, and his friendships, and his fatal blows. So yeah, thank you for watching all those characters. Rain, Rambo, and Mileena. If you'd like to see more of these characters, please remember hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have it. After you did it, hit the bell as always, because we need to get a lot of likes and a lot of subscribers. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching Rain, Mileena, and Rambo for his comeback and his friendships and his fatal blows. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, peace out, bro.